Yeah, mainly along the Mississippi River. There is some areas of patchy fog this morning. A lot of rain out there as well, all associated with the stationary front that's extending from about Louisiana all the way into the mid-Atlantic. So just a vast system and not a whole lot of movement with this. Flash flood watch is in effect all the way into Georgia. Just a ton of heavy rain moving over the same locations this morning from northern Louisiana, Monroe, just south of Greenville and north of Jackson, starting to see some heavier rain. And again, the flash flood warnings that were in effect for portions of Washington County, Chico, Sharkey, Issaquena, Humphreys County have now lifted, which is good news. Still in effect for Holmes, northern Yazoo, and Attala counties, but I would think those would lift in the next couple of hours as the rain continues to move south. Well, the heaviest of rain anyway, but there's still some pretty heavy showers out there. But north of Highway 82 starting to clear out a little bit. Still some cloud cover left behind, but the heaviest of rain is starting to move out, which is great news for your Tuesday mid-morning commute. And the flash flood watches are going to be in effect until this evening, so rain could redevelop later on, and these flash flood warnings will start to move off to the south along the I-20 corridor as the heaviest of rain starts to set up that forts to the south. And again, you can kind of see where the front is this morning. Temperatures on the north side in the 50s and the 60s. To the south, Meridian actually jumped to 70 already. 66 in Jackson, 58 in Greenville, which is good news. Finally got the weather station back online. That is great news after the Saturday storm. So now we'll be able to have more reports coming out of Greenville in the coming days. Now looking at the rest of Tuesday, heaviest rain going to move off to our south along the I-20 corridor. Starting to see a little break here in the Delta, and then some scattered showers will develop over Wednesday night. Strong southerly winds going to bring in a lot of warm and moist air to the region. Showers and thunderstorms will develop throughout the afternoon, and check out these temperatures. We'll be in the 70s tomorrow afternoon. More rain developing, and then heading into Tuesday night, a weak cold front tries to push to the south, cooling temperatures down into the low 50s, even upper 40s. And then throughout the day on Thursday, some more showers will develop. Northeasterly winds kick up, and we'll probably only be in the mid 50s heading through Thursday afternoon. So a much cooler day, and today the severe threat really starting to dwindle across the Delta, mainly moving along the I-20 corridor. If you're in the Delta, don't expect any severe weather today. We are looking a-okay. Most of the heaviest of rain has moved off. Now checking on those river levels, the Yazoo River at Greenwood going to hold steady around 30.3 feet between now and Sunday, around 5 feet below that minor flood stage level. But the Mississippi River here in Greenville going to rise to near 47 feet between now and Sunday, which is about a foot under flood stage. So we're going to have to monitor that very closely, and a flood warning has been issued for the entire Mississippi River until Monday, January 27th. And again, the Mississippi River here in Greenville expected to rise to around 49.5 feet between now and Saturday, January 25th. And again, Upper Lake Ferguson Road and Warfield Point Park closes when the river hits 50 feet. So something to monitor over the next couple of days to weeks. And the Mississippi River at Arkansas City also expected to rise above the flood stage of 37 feet on Tuesday, which is coming up in about a week. And again, those flood warnings in effect, not only here in Greenville and Arkansas City, but all the way down to Vicksburg and Natchez. So something we're going to monitor over the next couple of weeks. And again, that flash flood watch in effect for much of the Delta until this evening. Highs reaching the mid 60s today, periods of heavy rain, but the heaviest of rain starting to move off to our south. And then again, tonight we expect the rain to redevelop as that front starts to push a little further to the north. Lows around 63, so not much of a cool down, in areas of patchy fog will develop after midnight. And then tomorrow, 70 degrees, showers and thunderstorms, cloudy and mild. We are in January and it's still in the 70s, but I do believe a cool down is going to be on the way. Rainy through about Saturday morning, and then Sunday and Monday, Faith. Finally getting a taste of old man winter here in the Delta.